Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can hide photos on Google Photos. So firstly open up your Google Photos, then click on any photo that you want to hide. For example, I will click on my photo. So as you can see, there is option called hide a photo, but what you can do is simply archive the photo by clicking on move to archive at the bottom part. Click on move to archive and the photos will be gone from your main screen. So in order to access the photos, just click on library at the bottom right corner, then click on archives, and there you have it. The photos that you archived are right here. You can just simply select the photos and click on the three dots icon at the top right corner and select unarchive, and it will go back to your main screen. So that's how you can hide or unhide photos in Google Photos. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.